Alright, so if you are watching me, I know you want to buy your first stock, and in today's video, as I promised you, that I will show you the step by step that you can use to register with the Bamboo investment app so that you can buy your first stock as a beginner. Simple. Back in the days, buying stock in Ghana, with me, my personal experience, wanted to enter into the stock market. Charlie Bro from SHS, I made research, I went banks, and I wasn't able to buy stock. So the mobile app which we can use to buy any stock in the US market is the Bamboo investment app. If you have some money in your wallet and you want to buy any stock, whether Amazon, Apple, Google, Tesla, if you want to enter into real estate investment with this Bamboo investment app, you can do everything in your comfortable zone without wasting much of your time. With the Bamboo investment app, you can buy any stock in the US market. If you don't know anything about the Bamboo investment app and today is your first time, I recommend you go and do a whole lot of research about them. Very simple. So the Bamboo app giving us the chance, we the Africans, wherever that you are, as a Ghanaian, Nigerian, any part of Africa, they are making things simple for us to buy stock in the US market. So if you have downloaded the app, fine. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step so that we can sign up with the Bamboo investment app. If you have not downloaded the Bamboo investment app, the link is in the description box. Just go and click so that you get the exact application or app on your mobile phone so that you don't end up being scammed. So the link is in the description box. Click on the link and download. Leave the referral name there. So without wasting much of your time, why don't we move on and sign up with the Bamboo investment app so that you can buy your first stock wherever that you are. So let's proceed as I open my app on my mobile phone. We're gonna start together, and before we sign up, I recommend you have your identity card, passport or national ID available so that you can proceed. So with the Bamboo investment app, you sign up, then you do the KYC, which is know your customer. With this, they will require some documents from you, such as your passport, your national ID, your driving license, and image of you, because everything is real, so they have to know the person whom they are working with. So let's jump straight into the app so that we can sign up together. Alright guys, so now I believe you have the Bamboo investment app installed on your mobile phone. If you don't have it, just click the link in the description box to download. Use the referral code over there. So what you're going to do next is to click on the icon here. So this is going to open the app for you. The next thing we're going to do is to click on start building wealth. So over here, I'm going to do it for Ghanaians. If you are in Nigeria, wherever that you are, you can use the same process. So I'm going to do this for Ghana. The next thing that will appear is what? Your personal details. So make sure you enter your correct details. You won't be able to change this once you submit. Bro says read everything before you start entering this data, because everything here is money. Okay, so you enter your first name, let me do that, then your last name, like that. Very simple. You choose the gender. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is to choose the date of birth. With this date of birth, make sure the date of birth that you are choosing is what is on your document, identity card, driving license, passport, everything matches here. So the next thing we're going to do is to hit the done. Okay, so let me choose my own. Then the next thing we're going to do is to select the citizenship, which is Ghana over here, then enter your phone number. So I'm going to do that. Okay, then next you enter your email address. This email address is what they are going to use to communicate with you, also to verify your account. So make sure you enter a legit or recent used email address. Then when you read down here, the password is the next thing you're gonna enter. With the password, they require what? One small letter, one number, 8 characters, one capital letter, and a special character. So after entering your password, they will require you to secure your account with 4-digit unlock code. So make sure you select any 4-digit code, then you confirm. Simple like that. You will be taken to the home page or the page of the Bamboo investment app. Now guys, half of the work is almost done. The next thing we're gonna do is to verify this account. So you're gonna click on the profile icon where you see Isaac A something. So the next thing you're gonna do is to click on KYC. So this will be open on your screen. You are almost done. Over here we are coming to verify our account. So first thing is to submit identity verification. It can be your passport, driving license, national identity card, voter's ID. So all that you're gonna do is to submit that to them. Okay, proof of identity. You enter the ID number, very simple like that. Then the next thing you're gonna do is to enter your residential address. So make sure you enter the exact residential address. Be careful here guys. Enter your mobile money details. As you can see, we did this in the previous page, so it has already taken green or correct. So we are done with this. Then the last thing you're gonna do is to make your first deposit. You can make deposits in the US dollars or in the Ghanaian cedis, but guys, you will not be able to make deposits until you complete your KYC. I'm gonna log into my main account a minute. Alright guys, so this is my main Bamboo investment account. So in order for us to make our first deposit, what we're gonna do is to click on Ghana Cedis wallet. Then over here you can see deposit, transfer and withdrawal or withdraw. So you can make your deposit over here. So all that you're gonna do is to enter the amount that you want to deposit, but make sure you have this amount in your mobile money wallet before you can proceed. So hit on deposit 100 cedis as you can see like that. Then you can choose the payment type. We have cedis mobile money deposit, cedis card deposit, and what brokerage account funding. So you can use any of these. As a Ghanaian, I recommend you use the mobile money to make things simple like that. Okay, so over here you're gonna enter the mobile number that you intend to use to make the deposit. Let me clarify this. This is not the mobile number that you use to register. It is the number that the money is on it. So any mobile money number that you want to make this transfer from, you can enter that number here. Okay, so you enter the mobile money number, simple. Then the next thing is to menu here the service provider. So this is MTN. Then you hit confirm like that. So this will give you a prompt on your mobile money to what? Agree to the terms and condition and enter your PIN. After doing that, this money will pop up here. Very simple. This is one of the reasons why I love using Bamboo. Okay, so the next time I'm going to show you is how to buy your first stock in the US market. Let's pause. I want you to do me a favor, and it takes nothing to do this favor. I have dedicated my time, my resources, sleepless nights to shoot this video for you. All that you can do if you appreciate this content is number one, click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to promote this video to anyone who is searching for such help. Number two, click on the subscribe button to join this community for free. Why must you subscribe? Over here I take you through financial freedom, building wealth step by step. I wasn't born with silver spoon in my mouth. The online hustling, money tips, counseling that I got from rich people which set them free from poverty is what I share over here. Before I graduated the university, I owned music production studio, dogs kennel. I'm into real estate, investment, forex trading, full YouTuber, graphic designer, video editor, blogger, social media marketer, a whole lot. So think of this, you can learn something from me and I can also learn something from you. No scam, give you real proof, personal experience over here, so that anytime that I'm in need, you can help me and help people over there. The goal is to build one, financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. So counting 3, like and subscribe. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for doing this. May the Almighty God bless you wherever that you are, give you the wisdom. Anything that you pray for this year, everything shall come to pass. If you believe, I want you to type amen. More from you, Speezy. Let's move on with today's video. So if you want to buy your first stock, just come to investment here. Okay, then go to featured teams. Okay, over here you can see the featured teams. You can select from any of these categories. You have the S&P 500 ETFs. You can buy Bitcoin ETFs, real estate. Okay, then we have fixed income, invest into sport. As you can see, everything you want to buy in the US market is here. And also with the Bamboo investment app, you can buy from your favorite people, or you can just watch the portfolio of top investors. So when you watch it, this is Temi Otidola. Okay, so this is the portfolio for Temi Otidola. Okay, so Apple, Amazon, everything. So you can just look straight into this and buy any preferred stock. If you are a beginner, you don't know anything about it, just go and buy from these favorite people or these top investors. So you can see Warren Buffett stocks. This is the stock that Warren Buffett is owning. So you can just copy from him because he knows what he is doing. But before then, do your research, then know the stock that you want to buy. So now if you want to buy the stock, all you're going to do is to click on this stock like that. Then over here you can see about, financial, ownership, and what, news. But remember, if you are not owning a stock, you won't see ownership. With this, I already have a shares with the Apple company, so you see ownership when you buy. So for you to buy, all that you're going to do is to hit buy. Then it will bring you to this page where you can choose the way you want to purchase this stock. So you can buy now, buy the stock at the current price, limit order, buy the stock at a price below the current market price. The goal is to buy on the cheaper side. Then the last one is top order, buy the stock at a price above the current market price. It's a way to catch a stock on the way up. So you can choose from this like this. Then you enter any amount that you want to buy. With Bamboo you can buy any amount, okay, with even $10, which is 128 Ghana cedis. You see how Bamboo is. So go and download that, then start investing, start buying stock from the US. All you're going to do is to review your order. As you can see, my balance is insufficient, so if you make deposit, you can now proceed to buy this either from your Ghana wallet or US wallet. Very, very simple. So guys, make sure you download the Bamboo investment app from the link in the description box. Register, verify your account, make your first deposit, do research, buy your first stock, and let's keep on building wealth. Everything is simple here. You can call me the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.